Did you know that one man's surgery confession destroyed his entire double life in real time? When Derek went under anesthesia for appendix surgery, he shocked the entire surgical team. He confessed that he got both his wife and his girlfriend pregnant in the same month. But it gets worse. The anesthesia made him reveal that his wife thinks she's having twins. But one of those babies? It's actually his girlfriend's baby that he's been claiming as his own. Third shocking fact. He'd been stealing his wife's prenatal vitamins to give to his pregnant mistress. Why? To save money on buying 2 sets of vitamins. Fourth revelation. He purposely scheduled his surgery during his wife's baby shower. He wanted to avoid seeing his girlfriend there as a guest at his own wife's party. But here's the most mind-blowing part. The surgical nurse recording every single word of his confession? She was his wife's best friend. She recognized his voice immediately and was texting everything to his wife in real time during the operation. His double life ended before he even woke up.